Meaning of engineer.
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 Engineer. The term engineer typically refers to a professional who applies scientific and mathematical principles to design, build, and maintain structures, machines, or systems. Engineers solve problems and improve existing technology through innovation and creativity. They work in a variety of fields, including aerospace, civil, electrical, mechanical, software, and many others. The result of an engineer's work is the creation of practical and efficient solutions that have a positive impact on society and contribute to the advancement of technology.